Keteng jong ki bayo he mark halaki jong ki subject jong ka science stream bat ka commerce stream. Jong ka science stream English Ganesh Roy Bhumix from Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong, you get 93 marks. Alternative English Molika Lahiri St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong, 94 marks. Bilkis Khaton Assamese, 93 marks. Bahajbari Higher Secondary School New Bahajbari. Rakibul Hasarika Assamese, this also Jain Higher Secondary School Phulbari, 93 marks. Mahek Islam Jain Higher Secondary School Phulbari Bengali, 88 marks. Aundi Alan Bany and Marag Garo Donskool Higher Secondary School Tura, 81 marks. Siddharth Kumar from St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong, in Hindi he got 85 marks. Ami Grace Langste from St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong, Khasi ML she got 94 marks. Sushil Chetri Nepali Gorkha Patshala Higher Secondary School Shillong, in Nepali subject he got 91 marks. Angona Coach Ampati Government Higher Secondary School Ampati in agriculture subject agriculture, 68 marks. Jo Nathaniel Nongsij Maharam Government Higher Secondary School Makorwat in beauty and wellness he gets 78 marks. And Naza Riolan Sindram from RK Mission Higher Secondary School Chirapunji in biology she got 95 marks. Ganesh Roy Bhumik Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong chemistry, 99 marks. Arman Kiwar St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong computer science, 97 marks. Pun Yo Kaku Brookside Adventist Higher Secondary School Shillong in geography, 76 marks. Famous Pasleng Kiang Nongba Government Higher Secondary School Chowai in geology, 56 marks. Rebecca Balsi Pakante Maharam Government High Secondary School Mokorwat in Headkel, 84 marks. Hasmatara Begum St. Mary High Secondary School Shillong in Home Science get 98 marks. Pibawan Da Pentingan Jalong Government Girl High Secondary School Shillong Information Technology get 93 marks. And Pibajanai Kharosa from Risa High Secondary School Shillong, she get in mathematics 100 marks. With Ganesh Roy Bhumix from Laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School Shillong mathematics he get 100 marks. And Indaman Bha Shulai RK Mission High Secondary School Sherapunji in physical diction get 97 marks. And then Ganesh Roy Bhumik from Laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School physics get 95 marks. Rudis Kamborenja Shillong College Higher Secondary School Higher Secondary Edition Shillong statistics you get 88 marks. And the list of candidates get highest mark in subjects in commerce stream. Elsa Catherine Rambai in English she get 93 marks from St. Edmund Higher Secondary School Shillong. Gredelicia Jirwa from Sacred Heart Girls High Secondary School Shillong in alternative English she get 89 marks. Rohit Nath, this is a private candidate in Bengali subject, you get 88 marks. Raksang Esangma Don Bosco College High Secondary School in Garo subject, you get 81 marks. Shushma Singh BBS College Shillong in Hindi she get 68 marks. Samir Singh Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary Shillong in Hindi get 68 marks. Melbourne Mazar Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School Shillong Khasi 94 marks. Daniel HD Lal Gal Suola Adventist Higher Secondary School Thalasken in Mizo subject he get 80 marks. Bhim Tiwari BBS College Shillong Nepali subject 93 marks. Urmila Gautam Gorkha Patshala High Secondary School Shillong get 93 marks. Chirag Debs Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong in accountancy get 98 marks. Share with Shirya Sunar St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong accountancy 98 marks. Tulsi Day in business studies from St. Margaret High Secondary School Shillong get 99 marks. Walam Kupar Rani from Christian Academy High Secondary School Shillong in computer science get 68 marks. Ria Karpran St. Anthony High Secondary School Shillong in economics she get 93 marks. Emirin Karpran St. Edmund Higher Secondary School Shillong in subject entrepreneurship she get 99 marks. Lalzom Yen Gangte St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong in informatic practice get 93 marks. Keshav Agarwala Don Bosco College Higher Secondary School Section Tura in mathematics he get 97 marks. That's all, and thank you.